Hey people, for those of y'all really, the ones who, as of yesterday, I got 2 messages asking me about, from where I picked up my outfit and things like that. Yes, I do get messages and it feels so special. So, right now, this sounds really strange, okay? There are these, see, this is the red color, right? A red color stone, and this is from this brand called Silvesto. uh, Silvesto on it's on Amazon, and here people, you all might wonder what I am saying, but right down to the color that you wear and the stones, stones also inherently have certain colors. So when you wear a red color stone, it has a very invigorating effect on the system. I mean, if you're feeling low on energy, you wear red stones and you will be talking non-stop, like this video proves. And like that young man, his favorite color is red, and he is also a bundle of energy. So no, yeah, like they say, no, I mean, nature herself has solutions for us. So if you follow what when you wear natural stones, it can have that certain effect on you. I mean, there are many people who might just dismiss it, but metaphysics is metaphysics. Meta being the Greek word for beyond, beyond the laws of physics. I mean, the intuition, things that actually beyond a point, even intuition will be proved by physics, like mental waves, telepathy or whatever. So also with the color spectrum has a direct effect on our aura. So really, so this is almost a 2-minute long video, and this is my young man, and he just finished the class and he's convincing me to enroll him into White Hat Junior. So on that note, thanks. Yeah.
Subscribe and
Thanks for watching, and
please subscribe and do the thumbs up and ring the bell. Bye bye.